9 Science, Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. MCQs based on worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 3. Change of states, fusion, vaporization, sublimation, freezing, condensation and deposition. MCQs. Q1. Which of the following processes is the reverse of sublimation? A. Condensation. B. Deposition. C. Freezing. D. Vaporization. Check mark answer. B. Deposition. Explanation. Sublimation is solid to gas. Deposition is gas to solid, exact reverse. Q2. You notice water droplets on the outside of a cold drink bottle. Which process causes this? A. Freezing. B. Sublimation. C. Condensation. D. Deposition. Check mark answer. C. Condensation. Explanation. Water vapor in the air condenses on the cold surface of the bottle. Q3. Which of the following involves an increase in energy of particles? A. Condensation. B. Freezing. C. Deposition. D. Vaporization. Check mark answer. D. Vaporization. Explanation. Heat is absorbed to change liquid into gas. Energy of particles increases. Q4. Camphor disappears when left open. This is an example of A. Evaporation. B. Sublimation. C. Deposition. D. Freezing. Check mark answer. B. Sublimation. Explanation. Camphor changes directly from solid to gas, characteristic of sublimation. Q5. Which process is responsible for the formation of snow directly from water vapor in clouds? A. Freezing. B. Sublimation. C. Condensation. D. Deposition. Check mark answer. D. Deposition. Explanation. Water vapor changes directly to solid snow, deposition. Q6. When ice melts into water, it absorbs heat but the temperature remains at 0 degrees Celsius. This heat is called A. Latent heat of vaporization. B. Latent heat of fusion. C. Sensible heat. D. Cooling effect. Check mark answer. B. Latent heat of fusion. Explanation. It is the heat required to convert solid to liquid without changing temperature. Q7. Which of the following does not skip the liquid phase during change of state? A. Dry ice. B. Naphthalene. C. Water. D. Camphor. Check mark answer. C. Water. Explanation. Water follows solid right pointing arrow, liquid right pointing arrow, gas. Others undergo sublimation. Q8. Which process explains why your glasses fog up when you step into a warm bathroom after being outside in winter? A. Freezing. B. Deposition. C. Condensation. D. Sublimation. Check mark answer. C. Condensation. Explanation. Water vapor condenses on the cold glass surface forming fog. Q9. Which of the following changes state without going through the liquid state? A. Condensation and freezing. B. Sublimation and deposition. C. Fusion and vaporization. D. Melting and boiling. Check mark answer. B. Sublimation and deposition. Explanation. Both processes skip the liquid state, one from solid to gas, the other from gas to solid. Q10. Why do naphthalene balls decrease in size even without melting? A. They evaporate slowly. B. They decompose. C. They undergo sublimation. D. They dissolve in air. Check mark answer. C. They undergo sublimation. Explanation: naphthalene directly changes into gas, hence disappears without melting.